Welcome to another farm cooking. And with age, we all change a little bit. When my father was turning, 70, he almost turned vegetarian. He prefers a lot of vegetarian items. I thought I would never. Just last year, I turned 50, and I'm already leaning towards vegetarian. Today, I'm going to make another very famous recipe. This is a farm recipe, the farm beans. So for this, we're going to use a different method, which I have shown. This is kind of boiling in the oil. Even at the wedding, sometimes we do this. What we do is we pour a lot of oil, we cook the vegetables, we drain out the oil, and then we put simple masala, and this recipe is going to be so good. So for this, you're going to use farm beans. In this, add onion and also add potatoes. Make sure you drain out the water. Always, whenever I cut the potatoes, I put it in the water so that they don't get oxidized. See, as simple as this. In this, add some salt, and I've never eaten so much of greens and fresh vegetables in my life. Nowadays, every day I'm eating greens and lot of vegetables. So let this cook and bring it to a point where you can see this vegetable slightly simmering but not frying. Cooking all these vegetables actually make me feel much younger and very, very refreshing. So go vegetarian.
Now you will be starting about God, you will be starting all those religious books, everything. But what about us? I'm going to add some chicken.
So, with age, we may take spirituality and all those things, but when you have young chefs, booming chefs, the power chefs, then, okay, I'm not going to touch the chicken.
Okay. We'll eat all the pieces, you can eat all the potatoes.
Okay, so we add the chicken also to this and let this slowly cook in this. And it will take around 8 minutes, after which you can drain out the oil from this, and then we're going to add the masalas. Very simple recipe, yet very, very tasty. Keep the lid open and just once in a while just mix it. You will start seeing that these vegetables, the chicken, they are simmering. But once you see that they are almost cooked, you can squeeze a potato piece and check it. And then you can drain out the oil. After around 8 minutes, everything is nicely cooked. In fact, they cook much faster. Cooking this method will make even the tough vegetables or meats very nice and soft. So here, I'm going to just remove all the oil by just putting all of this on the strainer. Now, in this pan, add ginger garlic paste, add some curry leaf. See, this is a very interesting method of cooking because only one masala, the curry masala or the chicken masala you can add. Add some curry leaf, add some chopped tomato. See, tomatoes are grown pretty much in every farm. Even if a farmer is growing different vegetables, he will definitely have some tomato for himself grown there. Now, in this, add masala. So, you can add curry masala or chicken masala. In this, add these vegetables and look at the oil. Whatever I have poured in this is come out. So, you have very little oil in this. Now, reduce the flame, just mix all these masalas. That's it. The recipe is done and you have a full flavored masala dish, and hardly we added one mixed masala to this. That's it. These ones are very popular, especially if you are cooking for your party with friends and all that. Make this. This will be kind of a dry dish, but very refreshing vegetables. And if you have youngsters, add some chicken to it too. Look at this. Done. Now just adjust the salt once again and the recipe is all over. Wow. Beautiful colors. Since Power Chef Pranav has brined the chicken is also cooked much more easier. So here, get the dish out and look at this dish. Very nice, beautiful. Wow, this was not at all intentional. The big chicken piece came in. Dear friends, make these kind of very simple recipes. In my farm, whenever I cook recipes, these guys are saying no enough chili powder. So if you want to make it spicy, you can. And this is very nice, very tasty and very refreshing, and also make it hot and eat it right away. And you can use a lot of other vegetables cooked in this method and this masala. Simple. Wow, awesome.